Good morning, friends. Welcome to Apple International School Foundation Stage 2. Writing Matters Lesson 8. In this lesson, learners will be able to attempt to do mark making to provocate child's interest in mark making and writing. The outcome of the lesson will be learners will be able to understand how to label their belongings. They will be able to write their names on their belongings. They will be able to apply their knowledge to real life by labeling their belongings. Good morning, class. How are you all today? Do you know, yesterday after class, I found some objects. I found few books, water bottle, and lunchbox. Maybe one of you have forgotten them in school, but I don't know who does these things belong to. Now, can you all put on your thinking caps and tell me, why is teacher not able to give back the missing books, water bottles and lunchbox? Can you write down the correct answer? A. Because the name and class of the owner is not written on the object. B. Because the name and class of the owner is written on the objects. Yes, you're right, because the name of the owner is not written on these objects. Teacher Rose is not able to give them back. It is very important to write down your name and your class on each and every object that belongs to you, so that it is easy for you to find it back whenever it is missing. Teacher Rose explained her students how important it is to write down their names, their class on the objects that belongs to them. It is important to write down their details on their belongings. You must have seen these labels on your books. Do you know what are you supposed to do here? You're required to write down your name. You're required to write down your class and section. You are required to write down the subject of the book, so that it is easy for you to recognize which book belongs to which subject. And if your book is missing, it will be easy for you to get it back. You can also use different types of labels and put it on your belongings so that you can find them whenever it's missing. After a few days, Teacher Rose found some more books, but this time she knew who does these books belongs to, because in her class, children are able to label their books by themselves, and they also label their water bottles, their lunch box and their belongings, so that if they forget it, they can find it easily. Can you select the correct details that are required to be written on your book? A. Name. B. height. C. Weight. D. Class. E. Name of your school. F. Subject. From these, can you write down which details are required to be written on your notebook? It's reflection time. Check and label your books, your pencils, your water bottle, your lunchbox, or any of your other belongings. You can label any of your favorite toys. Don't forget to share that with your teacher through Microsoft Teams. Bye bye and have a good day.